In this video, I'll guide you through how to use ClickUp Brain so you can start getting helpful AI-powered answers right inside ClickUp. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. Once you're in, look toward the top or side navigation bar, depending on your layout, and find the section labeled AI. This is where ClickUp keeps all of its AI tools together, including ClickUp Brain. Go ahead and click on the AI tab to open it. When the AI tab opens, you'll see a chat-style interface. It looks very similar to a regular messaging app. A main area in the center where messages appear, and a text box at the bottom where you can type. This is the main place where you'll interact with ClickUp Brain. Before you type anything, take a moment to look at the chat window. You may see some example prompts or suggestions that give you ideas about what you can ask. These are there to help you get started, but you don't have to use them. You can type your own message about whatever you need help with in your work. Now click into the text box at the bottom of the chat. This is where you'll send your message to ClickUp Brain. Think of this space like you're chatting with a teammate who knows your workspace really well. Type a clear question or request. For example, you might ask it to summarize a long task description, help you draft a meeting agenda, or explain what a certain project is about based on your existing tasks and docs. Once you've typed your message, press enter or click the send icon next to the text box. As soon as you send your chat, ClickUp Brain will start processing your request. You'll usually see a short loading indicator while it thinks, and then a response will appear in the chat window. Take a look at the response carefully. ClickUp Brain is designed to be context aware, which means it can use information from your workspace like tasks, documents, and comments to give smarter answers. If you asked it to summarize something, you'll see a concise summary. If you asked a question, you should see a direct answer, often with some structure and explanation to make it easier to understand. If the answer isn't exactly what you were looking for, you can simply respond in the same chat thread. You might clarify what you meant, ask it to be more detailed, or request a shorter, simpler explanation. Treat it like an ongoing conversation. The more specific you are with your follow-up messages, the better the results you'll get. You can repeat this process as often as you like. Type a message, send it, review the response, and refine your question if needed. Over time, you'll get a feel for the kinds of prompts that give you the most helpful replies. To recap, all you need to do is open the AI tab in ClickUp, use the chat you see there, send a message, and let ClickUp Brain respond. That's the core workflow. From there, you can explore different types of questions and tasks to see how it can fit into your daily work.